So, hello, good day guys. So, usually na ginagawa ko while doing OJT in Jacinto and Lirio and handle Lazada Seller Center, first na ginagawa ko is check the message. After the login, check the message. If there's a new message, yan, there. Then, after that, I check the promotion if may available go to marketing center and then go to campaign. Check if may available na new campaign sale na pwedeng i-join natin sa campaign. So, click this. So, usually, pag ganyan may nakikita nyong may last live, hindi namin siya sinasalihan because for the Lazada live lang siya. So, this one, check natin. Yan, katulad yan. Lazada live siya. So, usually, hindi namin sinasalihan yung mga ganyan. And then, go back. Check tayo ng iba. This one. Check confirm. Join now. Then, click nyo lang to lahat. Then, check. Agree. So, wait natin yan. Then, after nyan, mapupunta po kayo dito. And then, check lang. Next. Then, ito yung mga product natin na naka-join sa campaign. We have total of 86 product. And next. Then, after that, check lang din. And then, check. And then, submit. Ayun. After nun, after ko mag-join sa mga campaign, ang usually na ginagawa ko is, mag-check ako ng go to promotion. And then, store flash sale. Usually, dinoduplicate ko lang to. Then, yan. Usually, dinoduplicate ko lang siya. And then, set the start date and time. So, gagawa na lang ako separate video for this kasi may error ata sa Lazada lately. And then, ayun, after natin kumuha ng promotion, usually yung ginagawa ko is nag-check ako ng orders. If may mga new orders tayo, dito natin siya makikita. And then, if may new orders, usually, ina-update ko sa Viber GC. And then, if may to ship, and if may na-delivered na. And then, after that, nag-check ako ng reviews. If merong mga to review, and usually, pag nakikita kong delivered na, then wala pang reviews, ang ginagawa ko is, pini-PM ko. And then, yan, makikita nyo dyan. Hi there, and name nung customer, and then, eto lang. Usually, kinakopy ko lang siya from the Lazada master file yung upsell niya. So, ayun. Usually, after ko mag-check ng orders and reviews, ang usually ginagawa ko is cross-selling and upselling to the previous customer. And then, makikita nyo here. Wait here. Check natin. Gumawa kasi ako lately ng upselling ko for the previous customer for the new year. Then here, usually copy paste lang. And then, go back. Baba ka lang. Then, punta ka sa product. And usually, click send. And this one. Yan, pili ka lang ng item. And then, paste. And last na isang ginagawa ko is product confirmation sa mga customer natin na nag-buy. Example, this one. Ayan. Ay, hindi. Wait lang. Ayan. Usually, na ginagawa ko, then is, after ko mag-cross-selling and upselling sa mga previous customer natin, is sinasend ko yung mga order information na confirmation na nasend na yung product sa kanila, so na-delivered na. And nagsasend ako ng upselling na this one. Hi, this is Rina from Jacinto and Lirio. And then, nagre-request ako ng reviews and if pwede tayong itag through social media, our IG, ganyan.